heavy.
I bet it is. It's filled all the way to the top of soil.
Maddie, can you tell me if this is level?
Is it level?
Is it?
Yeah.
I did a video last year that actually was quite popular compared to all my other videos about our Dollar Tree stackable planters. And the truth is that video's got a lot of views, but I wouldn't use that for strawberries. I have a leaf right behind me that I already put together, and this is a second leaf that I'm putting here. The leaves are made for strawberries and greens, things like that. I only have 2 levels here. The leaf is 7 tiers tall, but this is the watering system here that goes beneath each layer of the planter. And you see, you gotta position this watering cup here to have the holes facing each pocket, which makes sense. So this is a cool proprietary watering system, and this is why main reason why I stopped using, well, I'm still using the Dollar Tree stackable planters, but this is supposed to be a lot better for keeping all the layers moist and watered. The soil that we chose to put in these Greenstalk planters is actually straight from our chicken run. I have a compost area inside our chicken run, and the chickens help turn that compost and break it down into some really, really beautiful soil. I think that'll work out really well, because what I've learned about planting things in containers is that they need a lot of fertility, and they're only gonna be in that pot for the entirety of its life. And it's really important that there's a lot of fertility in that soil, in those pots, so you get the best looking plants. You don't want weak soil in those pots. Look at that soil. Look at my soil. Oh, why am I so weirdly excited about this?
I have no idea.
We mostly filled these Greenstalks off the other day, but in just a few days time it kind of sunk down a little bit, so we're gonna make sure we fill these up to the very top so that these roots have really deep pockets to grow into, so we get really nice plants in here. So we're gonna really fill these up to the top as we can with more compost.
I got it. You got it?
So we're planting strawberries here in this leaf Greenstalk. I have 2 leaf Greenstalks. This one I'm gonna do strawberries with, and right now I'm actually doing some weeding here. This bed has strawberries in it under the landscape fabric, but I'm weeding and there's a lot of runners. I'm picking up the runners and planting those runners. So I basically planted strawberries once, and I'm getting free plants from those first plants. So I'm planting up these 1 leaf with strawberries, and my other leaf planter I'm gonna do lettuce with all year long. So one's gonna be for lettuce, one's gonna be for strawberries, and I still have to put together my 2 original size planters. Those I'm gonna do, one of those original planters is gonna be for kale, and the other one is gonna be all peppers. So we'll have 30 peppers in just this small amount of square feet. So I'm excited for that, but I'm just planting these strawberries right now in here. And I'm hoping that we get lots of strawberries, because I did a video last year that actually was quite popular compared to all my other videos about our Dollar Tree stackable planters. And the truth is that video's got a lot of views, but I wouldn't use that for strawberries, because our strawberries dried out so much in those little planters because they're not very deep. And these aren't very deep either, but they're actually deeper and they're a little bit wider than the Dollar Tree planters. And they're a lot more sturdy and durable. It's a lot harder of a plastic. Like if you step on these by accident, they're not gonna crack and break like the Dollar Tree ones are so thin that if you accidentally step on it, they crack and break. And sometimes they just get knocked over and they crack and break because they're really thin plastic. So this is more expensive, but I think you get what you pay for. And I'm excited to hopefully grow a lot more strawberries and lettuce and other things in these Greenstalk planters this year. It's got some holes in this, so it trickles into each pocket.
I can't.
You can hear the water filtering.
Yep, it's going all the way from the top, all the way to the middle to down.
No. Can you come closer?
Mm-hmm.
Can you hear it?
You can hear it if you
Yeah, Maddie, you can water the plants too. That's actually something I should do too. So this watering system is really cool on the Greenstalk. You can see down here, it's just dripping. And it's doing that through every level in here. Really awesome. All right, so we got our first leaf Greenstalk planter all set up, and the plants look really healthy, and I really am impressed with the watering system on this garden tower. And if you're interested in getting your own Greenstalk, I reached out to Greenstalk and they gave me my own discount code, so you could get I think it's $10 off your order over $75 on their website. So click down in the links below this video and you can use my link to get a discount on your own Greenstalk if you want to do your own strawberry tower. I highly recommend these. I can already see how sturdy they are and how great they are at keeping every tower level watered and moist. So I'm really excited about these planters, and like I said, I have 3 others that I haven't even got to plant yet. It's still very early, but I'll do a lot more updates this year on how the strawberries are doing and all my other things that I plant in my other Greenstalk planters. So stay tuned for that. Also, if you're new here, I have free garden plans that you could get for free. Just sign down below, sign up for an email newsletter. I have a whole bunch of different garden plans that I am using for this year, so you can kind of follow along with me as I do my gardening in my different garden areas. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe to our channel if you're new here. I'd really appreciate that as well. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Now right now I'm setting up one of the original planters that have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets. And they're going to be planted, there's 5 high, so 5 times 6, so there's going to be 30 plants that we could put in about, I think it's like 12 square feet. So, do I have a echo?
Maybe.